Good afternoon, everyone. Councilman Baldonegro here. I wanted to let you guys know about our third Sunday brunch art crawl. It's going to be on Sunday, April 26th, from I believe like 9 to 3, 10 to 4, that little window right there. The first one we did was kind of like you were kind of a little nervous, but it turned out well. The second one, we had more artists. I believe it turned out even better. And then this third one coming up, I think we're just kind of getting in the swing of things. We'll have information below of who's participating, the restaurants that are participating, the artwork you'll be able to see and all that. Explore623.com, they'll have the information as well. But one of the things that, I'm really glad that this is happening. After the second one, we had talked with 2 or 3 artists, one of them being Lalo Cota, who's done a lot of work with the Phoenix Suns and the Diamondbacks. He's a very well-known artist. And we asked him, I mean, he's been doing this for many, many years. And we asked him just humbly, we said, hey, how are we doing? You know, how is this event compared to others? How are we doing? You know, we're not professionals here. We're just, doing our best. And his words and a few of the others, they said, we really like this event. Though there is a bit of a small competition for the prize, everyone's getting along together. There's no greed about this. The artists are helping each other out. They're giving each other tips and pointers on how to do this and how to do that, without necessarily being negatively critiquing them. They're just saying, hey, this is what I do, and this is what I do. And then all of a sudden they're like, oh, that's cool. And then they're kind of helping each other out. There's a really good environment and atmosphere, vibe, whatever you want to call it. It's got good music. Everyone's having a good time. A lot of people smiling, laughing. People are walking by that didn't even know the event was happening, and they're stopping and watching these artists at work. It's 7 foot tall by 4 foot wide mini murals, and they're spray painting them. And there's themes for them. The first theme, I believe, was like love, because it was Valentine's Day, still February, March. It was a petals to petals, so gas petals to flower petals, and combining the cars and flowers and those kinds of things together. I believe this one is going to be Como la Flor, which is a nod to the singer Selena and her song. So how these artists interpret that theme, and they can go whichever way they want, because art is always subjective. And these artists are amazing. We'll have below some video or some pictures of some of the artwork, and it is amazing. Everyone has a good time. The food's great at all the surrounding restaurants participating in the brunch. The atmosphere is really nice. The music's good. It's a family event. It's free. You can just come down, walk around, check it out, do some shopping. The weather's going to be pretty good that day. It's fun. It's a lot of fun. So it's a lot of work, but I'm more than happy to put in the sweat equity to help the downtown businesses and help the community. And it's been paying off, because we've been getting a lot of positive feedback, both from the community and the artists themselves. So we're going to continue doing this. I'm really excited that it's happening again. This will be our third one, the Sunday Brunch Art Crawl, Sunday, April 26th. I'm just going to say from like 9 to 3:30, 9 to 4. So anytime down there, if you see me, please say hi, come introduce yourself. I'd love to meet you, get some feedback, and just have a great day that day. So until next time, guys, be careful.